In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate dark mode in Monday.com step by step. If you spend hours managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with your team, switching to dark mode can reduce eye strain and make your workspace much more comfortable, especially during long work sessions. The best part is it only takes a few seconds to turn on. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Monday.com in your web browser. Go to Monday.com and log into your account using your email and password, or sign in with Google if that's how you normally access your workspace. Once you're logged in, make sure you are on any main dashboard or board. It doesn't matter which board you're viewing, as long as you're fully inside your Monday.com workspace and can see your tasks, columns, and menus. Now that you're inside your account, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, or if you have an uploaded one, your initials inside a colored circle. Go ahead and click on that profile picture or initials icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to several personal settings and preferences for your account. Inside this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Change Theme. Depending on updates to the interface, it may simply say Theme. Click on Change Theme. As soon as you click it, you'll see different theme options appear on your screen. From the available options, select Dark. As soon as you click Dark, your entire Monday.com interface will instantly switch from the default light background to a darker color scheme. You'll notice that your boards, side menu, dashboards, and task views all adjust automatically. The background becomes dark while text and key elements remain clear and easy to read. That's it. Dark mode is now activated on your Monday.com account. There's no save button required, and you don't need to refresh the page. The change applies immediately and will stay enabled unless you manually switch it back. If at any point you want to return to light mode, simply repeat the same steps. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, choose Change Theme, and then select the light option again. You can switch between themes as often as you like, so feel free to test both modes and see which one works best for you. Using dark mode can be especially helpful if you work at night, in low light environments, or if you simply prefer a more modern interface look. Many users find that it reduces glare and makes it easier to focus on tasks for extended periods of time. So once again, open Monday.com, click your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Change Theme, and select Dark. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you activate dark mode in Monday.com, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. I post simple step-by-step guides just like this to help you get the most out of the tools you use every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.